Children, good morning. I have completed the first poem in the last class. Today I am going to take you the first lesson, that is about the Kabuli Wala. The Kabuli Wala is a person and it's a novel written by the Rabindranath Tagore. They have given in your textbook. Now we will start with the Kabuli Wala. Before starting this Kabuli Wala, let me recall the poem what we have studied in the last class. Which poem we have studied there? We have studied the bonds of love, right? Love means it's a sharing and caring between the two person. We should love each other. We should take care of each other. In your poem, the love bond between whom? A little girl and a bird. In which season? In a summer season or a sunshiny season. Then what they were both feeling inside? Why that bird didn't have a cloth? Like that girl thinking, that bird thinking that why she didn't have a feather like me? Like that. This is a conversation, little conversation between the bird and a little girl. Okay, this one we have studied in the last class. I hope you all understood the poem, and also have given you homework to write the poem and question answers whichever they have given you. You should follow this one. Right, now we'll start with the lesson, that is the Kabuliwala. Right, Kabuliwala, he is a person of the it's a novel of one person, that is Kabuliwala. It's written by a Rabindranath Tagore. Now I will start to read this one. You should keep finger on that line, which line I am going to read now. Okay, first one. My 5-year-old daughter, her name is Minnie, cannot live without chattering. I really believe that in all her life, she has not wasted a minute in a silence. Her mother would often tell her to stop her prattle, but I would not. One morning, I was working on my new novel. Minnie stole into my room, put her hand on mine, and she said, Father, Ramdayal, the gatekeeper, calls a crow as a crow. He doesn't know anything he does he? Then, next, third para. Before I could explain this to her, she jumped to another subject. Father, she said, Bola says there is an elephant in the clouds. It blows water out of its trunk, and that is why it rains. See here, it's in this para, it's a small conversation between a girl Minnie and with her father. What they have told here? My 5-year-old daughter, her name is Minnie. Then how many years she old? 5 years. Cannot live without chattering like you. She is a chattering is nothing but so talkative. They will, if they start to talk, they should not stop until it's one by another one. Eni sunkudu anno tananu maataadtane irtare. That we call as a chattering, right? Talkative. You or she is so talkative means she is so words used to talk, right? Non-stop words. Next, I really believe that in all her life she has not wasted a minute in a silence. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷನೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಂತೆ. Really believe that in all her life she has not wasted a minute in a silence. Her mother would often tell her to stop her prattles. Yes, chattering means what? Talking quickly and continuously. They have given here first one, chattering, CHATTERING. Chattering means what? Talking continuously. Talking continuously. Second one, prattle. Prattle means long talk about the unimportant things. Long talk about unimportant unimportant things, right? So, in this para, they have given two difficult words. First one is chattering, second one is a prattle. Chattering means talking continuously, non-stop, talkative. Next, prattle means long talk about the unimportant things. There was a girl, her name is Minnie. She used to chatter means she is non-talkative girl. She used to talk with her father continuously and unwanted things. If a person talking unwantedly, that word we call as a prattle, right? Next, one morning I was working on my new novel. Her father was working with the new novel. Then suddenly she came. That Minnie came and kept her hand on that her father. Next, father, what she said? Ramdayal, the gatekeeper calls a crow as a karo. Kagena karo karo anta karitane ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? Minnie told her father. He doesn't know anything, does he? ಅವನಿಗೆ ಎಂತದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಅವಳು. Before I could explain this to her, she jumped to another subject. What? She asked one question that gatekeeper doesn't know anything, right? Before answering to that question, she again jumped to the another question. What is that question? Further, she said, Bhola says that there is an elephant in the clouds. It blows water out of its trunk, and that's why it rains. Bola ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ನನಗೆ. What that? Bola says there is an elephant in the clouds. There's one elephant in the clouds. If it blows the water out of its trunk, that's why it rains. She don't know how it rains. It's a natural process. But that Bola said to her that rain comes with the help of a trunk of elephant. Just she have a blind belief what is told by the Bola. Okay. Next, while I sat thinking of some reply, she put another question. She never give a time to her father to think about the question whatever she have asked. Again and again she used to ask the questions without stopping. So that mother used to call her, she is a very talkative girl. So okay. While I sat thinking of some reply, she put another one question. What question she have kept there? Father, what was the relation is mother to you? See. ನಿನಗೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳು. ಓಕೆ. Again she kept another question. What is that? What was the relation between you and mother? She suddenly asked the next question. Then she heard something down in the street. While she was asking some questions to her father, she heard something in the street that at once she ran to the window. Suddenly she ran to the window. Okay. See. In the picture they have given, she ran and came near to the window. Suddenly she saw inside the window that at once she ran to the window crying, Kabuliwala, Kabuliwala. Sure enough, in the street below was a Kabuliwala. He is a Kabuliwala. Kabuliwala passing street below was a Kabuliwala. Passing slowly along. ಅವನು ವಿಂಡೋ ಹತ್ರ ಕಬೂಲಿವಾಲ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದ್ದ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲುಕ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ Minnie. Okay. He wore the loose clothing of his people. Here, how type of clothes he wore? The loose and dress ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ ಅವನು. Next, with a big turban. See there, with a big turban. There was a bag in his bag. Here, he have one bag. And in his hand he carried a boxes of grapes. He come with some box. That box is filled with the grapes. Okay. So after you have completed, what is there in this page? Let us see now. See here, that Minnie is a girl. Then she is a very talkative girl. Then she used to ask the question continuously without getting an answer to that question. Then one day what happened? While his father was reading a novel, she came and asked the question that what question she kept to her father. Ramdayal gatekeeper ಏನು ಕರೀತಾನೆ? ಕ್ರೌಗೆ ಕಾರೋ ಕಾರೋ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Next question what she said? ನಂಗೆ that Bhola said that elephant is sat in the clouds. With the help of that father. Next, another one question is, what is the relation between you and mother? In this process, she suddenly saw a Kabuliwala. Okay. Next page, what that Kabuliwala will do, then what the conversation will go between the Kabuliwala and her father, and a minute we'll see now. Here, chattering means talking quickly and continuously. Prattle means long talk about the unimportant thing. Next, sure enough. Third one is sure enough. Here, after one page, they have given here some meanings with the writing. You have to follow this, right? What I am going to write on the board, you should see it and learn this. By writing in a CW, you should write only these words which is written by the red ink. Okay. Third one, sure enough. What it is? Sure enough. Sure enough means an expression used to confirm a statement. An expression used to confirm a statement, right? Okay. These 3 minutes they have given in this second page. Next we move on to the third page. Keep finger on the line which I am reading. The Kabuliwala turned and looked up at the child. Kabuliwala turned and looked up toward the child. Overcome by a terror, Minnie felt. They have given the terror and Minnie felt. Terror means great fear with a fear. Minnie felt means ran away. Kabuliwala turned ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ she started to run away to her mother for the protection. She had a blind belief that inside the big man's bag there was a 2 or 3 other children like herself. Say, you also used to get a fear when you see a stranger. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕರು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಜಿ ಓಡೋಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ತರ what she have done there, after seeing the Kabuliwala she too ran away. Then she hid behind her mother. Why? Because he had a bag, right? She had a blind belief that some children are there in that bag, that Kabuliwala may take me and he will also keep me inside the bag. She had a fear that. Okay. Next, there were 2 or 3 other children like herself, but meanwhile the peddler means a person who travels from place to place. Okay, came in and greeted me with a smile. Suddenly he came and greeted with her smile. Hi, like that. Hi girl, like that he greeted her. Okay. Next, I made some small purchases. Then I had a little conversation with him about his country. As she was about to leave, she asked, "Where is the little girl, sir?" Thinking that Minnie must get rid of her false fear, I had her brought out. She stood by my chair, looking at Kabuliwala and his bag. He offered her nuts and rains. She went and hid back of his father. Then what she said? Kabuliwala came and greeted her and by giving her some nuts and rains. But she was not tempted. She clung close to me. Here. Get rid of means become free of something. She had a fear that he may take me, like that. When he came and greeted her, suddenly she free out from the fear. He will not do anything for me. He brought something to give me, like that. She felt happy and she started the conversation with the Kabuliwala. Okay. Next, one morning, not many days later, I had to go somewhere. As I was leaving the house, I was startled to find Minnie laughing and talking with the great Kabuliwala. She was seated on a bench and the Kabuliwala was sitting at her feet. Here, one morning, in the next morning, that Kabuliwala came. I had to go somewhere. That her father used to go somewhere. As I was leaving the house, while he was leaving the house, I was startled. Startled means got a sudden shock of surprise. While he was going out, he got a sudden shock. What was the shock there? To find a Minnie laughing and talking with a great Kabuliwala. Again, that Kabuliwala came to her home. One day he came to her home and gave her fruits and nuts and made her happy and went. In the next morning, her father, while he was going outside, again the Kabuliwala enters with a smile. Next. She was seated on a bench and the Kabuliwala sitting at her feet. Here. She was seated on a bench and Kabuliwala came and seated below the bench. What he said? Minnie had never found so patient a listener all her life. The corner of her little sari was already stuffed with almonds and grains. Why did you give her those? I said. I took a coin and handed to him. Here. That is here. While her father was going outside, Kabuliwala came. Before her father telling that Kabuliwala gave some nuts and fruits to her, she kept those with her dress. Then that father asked Kabuli, why you are giving these all the things? He asked, and we should not take it free. I have to hand over some coin to him. Like that he said and gave some coins to the Kabuliwala. Right? Up to here we have completed. In the remaining, from here I will continue in the next class. Now I will make you to read this lesson completely. If I start to read this, you have to put a finger on that line. If you get a difficulty, you have to underline with the pencil. Okay. Up to here we have completed. What happened in the next? What happened? Which type of conversation may happen? We will see in the next class. Okay. Now I will make you to read the lesson. Take out your textbook and start to read with the first line. Keep finger on the line which I am reading now. Okay. So let's start to read. First line. My 5-year-old daughter, Minnie, cannot live without chattering. I really believe that in all her life, she has not wasted a minute in a silence. Her mother would often tell her to stop her prattle, but I would not. First paragraph written. Second one. One morning I was working on my new novel. Minnie stole into my room, put her hand on mine and said, Father, Ramdayal, the gatekeeper calls a crow as a crow. He doesn't know anything, does he? Before I could explain this to her, she jumped to another subject. Father, she said to her father that Bhola says there is an elephant in the clouds. It blows water out of its trunk and that is why it rains. While I sat thinking of some reply, she put another question. Father, what relation is mother to you? But then she heard something down in the street. At once she ran to the window crying, Kabuliwala, Kabuliwala. Sure enough, in the street below was a Kabuliwala passing slowly along. He wore the loose clothing of his people with a big turban. There was a bag on his back and in his hand he carried a box of grapes. Okay. Up to here I made you to read. Then they have given some dictation words. First one is a chattering, second one rattle, next enough, next write. These all the meanings also they have given here. While you are writing the CW, you should write the only words which they are written with the red ink. Okay. Next, turn that page. Look at page number 3. I am going to read the first line. Keep finger on that line. The Kabuliwala turned and looked up at the child, overcome by the terror. Minnie fled to her mother for a protection. She had a blind belief that inside the big man's bag there was a 2 or 3 other children like herself. But meanwhile the peddler came in and greeted me with a smile. I made some small purchases, then I had a little conversation with him about his country. As he was about to leave, he asked, "Where is the little girl, sir?" Thinking that while his father was asking to Kabuliwala about the country, he asked suddenly that, "Where is the little girl, sir?" Thinking that Minnie must get rid of her false fear, had her brought out. She stood by my chair, looking at the Kabuliwala and his bag. He offered her nuts and raisins, but she was not tempted. She clung close to me. This was their first meeting, okay? In the next meeting, one morning, not many days later, in the next morning itself, I had to go somewhere as I was leaving the house. I was startled to find Minnie laughing and talking with the great Kabuliwala. She was seated on a bench and the Kabuliwala was sitting at her. Minnie had never found so patient a listener of her life. The corner of her little sari was already stuffed with the almonds and rains. "Why did you give her those?" I said, and I took out a coin and handed to him. "Up to here, I made you to read." Okay. In the next class, I will start with the page number 4. What will happen with the little girl and her father and a Kabuliwala, we will see. This is the Kabuliwala, the novel written by the Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Now we will start with some dictation words within those 2 pages. See, hope everybody have taken a notebook and textbooks. It's better to listen our online classes with the help of textbook. Understood? Then we already sent you a timetable. Then you have to sit with the timetable. Then only you will come to know which subject is going next, like that. Understood? There you have to do 2 subjects for English. Sorry, 2 notebooks for a English subject of one line notebook. One you have to make for CW and the one for HW. Today I am going to give you homework in a CW itself. First, what you have to write? Sir, no need to write this one. Directly we start with the lesson 1.1, that is the Kabuliwala. Put a headline 1.1. I am going to teach you how you have to write in CW. The Kabuliwala. Right, the Kabuliwala. You have to put a headline like this, leave one line, after that put a first mail, that is dictation words. Dictation words, okay. After that, today I have taught you only 2 pages. In that 2 pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 11 dictation words may come in these 2 pages. Right? You have to write those meanings in a CW. Only write a dictation words which is written with a red ink. Okay. You have to write those dictation words in a CW. It's a 2 days homework. I hope you all understood. Next we discuss about this starter poem, that is Bonds of Love. Right? You have to leave one page. You have to write this one also. In the next class, I am going to give these question answers. Okay. In the next class, I am going to these question answers and we will start with these 2 next chapter. Next 2 pages. Okay. I hope you all understood this. Let me recall this one. Who is the person with the big bag and big turban? That is Kabuliwala. Next, what was her name? That little girl name? Minnie. Right? How she is? She is a very talkative girl, chattering girl. Right? Then, what was read by his father? Or father ಏನು ಓದ್ತಿದ್ರು? What he was reading there? He was reading the novel. Right? How many questions and how many Questions she have asked to her father, 3 questions, right? First one, that gatekeeper called the crow as a carrow like that she used to ask. And the one is that Bola said that rain is coming from elephant trunk. Next, she just had a blind belief. Okay, third one, what she asked, which is the relation between you and mother. Some 3 questions she kept in front of her father. She was discussing about the father without getting any answer. Answer ಬರೋಕಿನ ಮೊದಲಿನ ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, she used to ask the questions again and again. Understood, children? Her name is Vinay. Like this, I told you in this class and I made you to read that lesson also. I have completed only 2 pages. In the next class, I am going to start with the 4th page. Now, I am giving you homework. Okay. Read lesson 1, 2 pages. Okay. Next, learn meanings given in 2 pages. In your textbook. Okay, first is read the lesson. Second one is learn meanings given in 2 pages in your textbook. Given in 2 pages in your textbook, right? That is 2nd page and 3rd page. Today I have not given any writing homework. I have given only reading homework. Understood? I hope you all understood the homework also. In what once again I am telling you, you have to do the 2 homework, 2 books. First one CW and SW. Till I say you to write in CW, you should not open your CW. Just do what I am going to say you now. Okay. Today I have given you only reading. I have not given you any writing work. Understood? I hope you all understood this lesson. Then before concluding what I am telling you, children, you should take serious about these online classes. Then you have to purchase the textbook as early as possible. Then only you have to understood the chapters what we are telling. Otherwise you will become deaf. ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಲಾರಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? Next, what you have to do? Then keep a timetable with you while you are reading. Okay. Then in next Friday and Saturday June classes will go on. That June class will related to this only. Whatever we taught this regular classes, we are discussing about that in the June classes. Okay. I hope you all understood this class. Remaining class I will continue in the remaining pages I will continue in the next class. Okay. Thank you, children.